Greetings aspiring entrepreneurs, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, starting a consulting business and leveraging your expertise for profit. If you have a specialized skill set or knowledge in a particular industry, starting a consulting business can be a great way to monetize your expertise and help others achieve their goals. In this video, we will guide you through the process of starting your consulting business, from defining your niche to acquiring clients and delivering value. So, let's get started. Introduction to consulting. In this section, we will provide an overview of the consulting industry and its potential for aspiring entrepreneurs. We will discuss what consulting entails, the benefits of starting a consulting business, and the different types of consulting services you can offer. We will also touch upon the importance of defining your consulting niche and identifying your target audience. Defining your expertise and value proposition. To succeed as a consultant, it's essential to define your area of expertise and establish a clear value proposition. We will guide you through the process of identifying your unique skills, knowledge, and experiences that set you apart from others in the industry. We will discuss the importance of understanding your clients' pain points and how you can provide solutions that deliver tangible results. Conducting market research. Market research is crucial for understanding your target market, identifying competition, and positioning yourself effectively. We will share strategies for conducting market research, including analyzing industry trends, identifying your target audience, and studying your competitors. We will also discuss the significance of networking and building relationships within your industry to gain insights and potential client leads. Creating your consulting brand. Building a strong consulting brand is essential for attracting clients and establishing credibility. We will discuss the elements of a successful consulting brand, including creating a compelling brand message, designing a professional logo and website, and developing marketing materials that reflect your expertise. We will also emphasize the importance of consistently delivering high-quality services to build a positive reputation. Acquiring clients. In this section, we will share strategies for acquiring clients and growing your consulting business. We will discuss various marketing channels such as networking, events, online platforms, social media, and content marketing. We will provide tips on creating a strong online presence, leveraging testimonials and case studies, and utilizing referral networks. We will also touch upon the significance of effective sales and negotiation techniques to close deals with potential clients. Delivering value and building relationships. As a consultant, delivering value to your clients is essential for long-term success. We will discuss strategies for providing exceptional service, including conducting thorough assessments, developing customized solutions, and delivering actionable recommendations. We will also emphasize the importance of building strong client relationships, maintaining open communication, and continuously adding value to retain clients and generate referrals. Managing your consulting business. Running a consulting business requires effective management and organization. We will share tips on managing your time, setting realistic goals, and developing efficient systems and processes. We will also discuss the importance of ongoing professional development to stay updated with industry trends and expand your knowledge base. Congratulations, you now have a solid knowledge of how to start a consulting business and leverage your expertise for profit. By defining your niche, conducting market research, building a strong brand, acquiring clients, delivering value, and managing your business effectively, you can pave the way for a successful consulting career. If you found this video helpful, we could appreciate it if you hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on starting and growing your consulting business. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your consulting journey.